Rain and severe thunderstorms are forecast for Victoria, Melbourne, inland New South Wales and Tasmania today. Storms are already developing as I record this video, so I'm going to jump right in with a look at today's thunderstorm forecast, which shows us where we might expect to see thunderstorms through the remainder of our Wednesday. Now, as always, the green areas on this map show where storms are possible. That covers much of eastern Australia, although notably today it does include the Sydney area, but not those parts of northeast New South Wales. We have a broad area of severe thunderstorms possible, from southern inland Queensland through inland New South Wales and through a broad area of central Victoria that does include the Melbourne area and Geelong. This severe storm area does spill down into northern and northwestern parts of Tasmania as well. Now, in these severe storm areas, we could see widespread heavy falls that could lead to flash flooding. Damaging wind gusts and large hail are also possible with severe storms, but rainfall is the primary risk throughout the rest of today. Now, our key focus area for storms today is really through this band that stretches from the southern Riverina through northeastern parts of Victoria and into western South Gippsland. It does include eastern parts of Melbourne, so those eastern districts are likely to see some severe thunderstorm activity today. The likely severe thunderstorm areas, these red areas, do spill down into northern parts of Tasmania as well. Communities throughout these areas should keep a close eye on the Bureau's website through the rest of today in case we do need to issue any severe thunderstorm warnings. Taking a look now at tomorrow's thunderstorm forecast to see how things will progress from here, we can see that the thunderstorm risk does shift eastwards. We continue to see storms possible across broad parts of eastern Australia, with some clearance through inland New South Wales and Victoria, but notably severe storms remain a risk for parts of New South Wales and northern Tasmania. In particular, we have an area of likely severe thunderstorms that include Sydney and the Central Coast, southern parts of the Hunter and the Illawarra, as well as the Central Tablelands. That means Sydney siders may see those severe storms tomorrow. Once again, heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding is the key risk with storms. Taking a look at how that will all play out with our synoptic map, we can see that we've got a low pressure trough, this blue dashed line here, which is helping to drive that shower and thunderstorm activity. Widespread across those eastern areas today, really concentrated through those central parts of Victoria, leading to that risk of heavy rainfall. Through the course of today, we will start to see some clearer skies starting to push into inland parts of Victoria and New South Wales as the rain starts to shift eastwards. Going into tomorrow, that's when we see the rain pushing towards the east coast. As I've said, we start to see the rain filling out through those central coast areas in particular, with that risk of flash flooding around Sydney and the Central Coast area. Now, exactly how much rainfall are we looking at in the next few days? Well, this is a map of our accumulated total forecast rainfall from around now to the end of tomorrow night. As you can see, widespread rainfall is on the forecast from southern Queensland throughout pretty much all of New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. But the highest rainfall accumulations are likely through parts of Tasmania, northeast Victoria and northern New South Wales. Of course, there is still some patchiness to this rainfall totals. We are likely to see widespread falls in the 20 to 50 millimetre range, but those highest falls will depend on where the storms are forecast. If severe storms move overhead, we could easily see triple digits in the rainfall gauges, and it's that kind of rainfall falling in a short space of time that can lead to dangerous conditions on the roads and about your property as water moves over roads and access routes. Now, this situation is continuing to unfold at the moment. Make sure you keep an eye on the radar and the Bureau's website for all forecast and warning updates. You can also find that information via the Bomb Weather app and via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.